thunderstorm warning for western Deshaies County in southeastern Arkansas, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, central Lincoln County in southeastern Arkansas until 2:30 p.m. At 1:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fennville, or 8 miles west of Star City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Star City, Gould, Grady, Nebo, Fennville, Woodville, Whitefield, King Creek State Park, Mills, Glendale and Lincoln County, Tommel, Palmyra, Rose Hill, Crigler, Fresno, Varner, Sarasa, Avery, Yorktown, Calhoun,